Okay guys, here's a video on 2-inch lift leveling kit for Chevy Suburban 2014. So as you can see, the back end has a lot of space in it. It says Z71, and the front end has not. It's leaning down. So I'm going to put a 2-inch leveling kit on it. Let's see what came in the box. So this is what came in the box from eBay. Ordered it for $18. So same thing for same thing what people are sending for $35. Same thing. So this is it. One of them look a little bit better. As you can see, it just finish is way better, and the other one has some spots on them. Maybe they're welded. That could be bad, but we'll find out. And this is it basically, and these are the bolts that came with the kit. $18, not too bad. So I'm gonna start taking off. This could be a next video. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking off the wheels and see how it goes. So here's the after video on Suburban after the install, and it looks like it's even now. From the front and the back, they look almost exactly the same height from the tires to the body. So it turned out good. I drove the vehicle and drove fine, drove perfect.